everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Let me reach over here and grab this real quick. It's going to be a little different though than my previous ones because I am unboxing a monitor. So I can't, 1 second. So I am unboxing this AOC this thing. The C32G1 32-inch gaming monitor. There's actually only one of these. But I'm going to be unboxing this and showing it to you guys. There's no point in me setting up the dock cam or any of that fancy stuff because, yeah. Let's get to unboxing this thing. So, first things first, I already cut this open just because there's a ton of tape. I had it shipped to me, and yeah, I figured it'd be a ton of work to just do that on the camera. So, we're going to open this up. And so yeah, it says to lay down the box, so I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so I positioned my phone on the ground just so that you guys can see, or the camera. But yeah, so I'm going to open this out, pull this out of the box now. Oh shoot. I absolutely hate the styrofoam because it always just like shreds as you pull out the thing. But let's see if we can get this over the handle just a little bit. This thing's huge. So the monitor that I've been currently using is 27 inches, so this is a little bigger than the one I've been using. Okay, pull it out of the box. I can set the box out of the way now. Slide this up here and grab the phone. So what we got here is we got the stand right here, it looks like. So I think, wait, no, this is a backplate, so you can attach an arm to it, I think. Hard to tell. And then this is the stand. Wait a second. Oh, no. They're both the stand. So that sits down on the ground like that, and then this attaches to it like so, and that mounts to the back of the monitor. And then it also comes with a HDMI display port and power cable. And then the instructions, but we don't need those, as always. So let's get to the actual monitor real quick. I'm going to pause this and... Alright, for the sake of it looking nice, I did flip the box around just so we can see the screen first. And yeah, so let's pull this styrofoam right off the top here. And of course we got the paper on top of it. But it looks really cool. It has that red finish. It is a curved screen, as you can tell. But yeah, let's get this stand set up real quick, and let's see how easy this thing is to set up. So I'm going to mount this camera on a thing real quick. Alright, so let's throw this thing together real quick. I know y'all are just itching to get the ratings, but we got to set it up first. So, it looks really simple to put together, besides this tape over it. What the hell? Are you kidding me? It is stretched into a ring. Okay, maybe I'll have to grab my knife. Oh wait, this is unwrapping. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna just pull this one through. Are you kidding me? There's another piece of tape. Oh, that one ripped. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I think my mic, I'm a little far away from my mic now, so I think I switched. I don't know when I'm editing this, I'll edit it. Whichever is better, but I think I'm going through my phone now because I've got some distance between me and my mic now because I'm slowly moving because this thing takes up a ton of space. So, ooh, okay. I'm butchering this bag, so hopefully I don't need to return anything because it's not going to go back in this bag. Oh my god. Okay, initial reviews. Took forever to get that freaking thing off. Okay, so it looks like this just pops in here, and then you take a screwdriver and tighten this on the bottom. It looks like it has like a little thing, so you can tighten it by hand. Start. I'm gonna fast forward until it's done. Big screw down. Okay, I just tightened it by hand, and it feels really tight. It's not wobbly at all, like at all. It shakes the entire table if I wiggle it at all. So I think it's good. So this is what the stand looks like. Now we're going to have to attach the monitor onto this, but I am a little worried. So I don't really know how it attaches because I'm going to try to bring this camera closer. So this is what the plate looks like, and you see these holes here, here, and here, all the way around, but there's nothing on the back side. So I don't know. Oh, that's a bad angle. I don't know like where is this thing supposed to get attached. So I'm gonna skip forward till I figure that out. And yeah. So I'm slowly pulling this monitor out of its bag. It's remote somewhere. And I'm not seeing like screws or anything. So I'm a little worried. Nothing. Okay. I got a lot darker in this room all of a sudden. I think it just clips on. It looks like there's little latches on this back plate, so I'm gonna spin this around and notch it in. So, wait, maybe it. Oh, it feels like it's going in. Oh, it just clicked in place. Okay. It is in. Hands off the thing. Let's see if y'all can tell, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So it's all attached to this thing now. If you come back here, you actually see back here there's a button. And this locks, there's 2 notches right here and here. And that actually locks it into place. And now, if I push and pull on it, it actually tilts the display up and down. So, it appears we have fully assembled this display. It's pretty close to the table. It's not like too high up, like maybe like 4 inches up-ish. So, I like that. I'm going to quickly move it over to the desk right next to my other one, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I have it plugged into my PC now. I took a second to do that off camera, and we're going to try to boot this thing up with my other one, and we're going to compare the two and see if this thing works. So I'm going to pull this sticker off actually real quick. Actually, I'll leave it on just in case I have to return it. So let's quickly find out how to turn this on. So that's the one thing I don't know yet, is I don't know where. Oh, found them. Okay, so down here in the bottom, there's actually all the buttons. Oh, it's not focusing. So I don't know what any of those mean, but I know this one means power. So we're just going to push the power button. And it turned on. Okay, sweet. Additionally, I'm going to turn this one on, even though it's on. And then we're going to just hit power on my PC. Let that baby light up. And hopefully it works. So let's see here. Why am I losing focus on my camera? Here we go. I think I just saw the Windows logo, but it was super small. And we have a power on. Sweet. Don't know why that didn't turn on. Maybe it's just because this one's the main one. So let's let it boot up a second, and we'll review it when it's finished booting. All right, so I've gone and actually launched Minecraft. It's still downloading because I haven't launched it yet. I mean, I built this thing like less than well, I built it yesterday. But it actually, I mean, it's hard to tell. This phone doesn't do justice to it, but it actually looks amazing. Like, it definitely looks 4K. I love this monitor so much. I don't know. It's hard to, you guys can kind of see. I mean, the picture actually looks really good. My phone doesn't even record in 4K, so that's why I'm saying it doesn't do justice to it. But like, it's so small, and there's only 2 cables that come off it, right? So like for cable management, I could literally run this cable down if my power wasn't over here. I could literally run that straight down, and you'd barely even notice it. You could even put it behind this, and because that's so thick, you wouldn't even notice the cables. Like, I actually am in love with this monitor. It's just it's beautiful. And the curved screen is perfect. Like, I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 for the monitor. I'm actually really excited. I mean, this is mine next to it, so I can actually take this and slide it over, and let's just compare the two. Like, they honestly look very similar, and this is also a 4K monitor. So they're both should look great, but I honestly like it better on this one, and I don't really know why. Maybe it's the bigger screen, it just looks better, but I honestly am in love with this monitor already. Like, even Rick the Prick up here likes it. That's my cactus's name, because, well, you all get it. But I don't know. It's amazing. 10 out of 10 recommendation. All the way. Go buy this monitor. It was a little more expensive, and I'm going to switch actually right now to going over the Amazon page, and we can talk. All right, took me a second to get it booted up, but here's the website for it. So we see all the pictures and stuff. It looks exactly as it does in the pictures. It's really nice to have a 3-year warranty. Hopefully they honor it if something happens. We'll see though. Actually, that's actually really cool. 1 year accidental. That's actually pretty big. So I got this one, the 32-inch FHD monitor, and yeah, let's just scroll down and see if there's any information down here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna agree with everything they say, but never hurts to check. So we got crazy immersive. It does feel very immersive. I mean, I haven't played any games on it yet, but I already feel like very like in the screen. I don't know. That might just be me, but I feel like it's that curved monitor feeling, you know? It's different. 32-inch classic curved HDR gaming monitor. I haven't noticed any flickering, so I agree with this. I mean, we'll find out when I start gaming, and you guys will notice when I'm playing games from here on out. Crazy immersive experience. Yeah. I am interested to see if I can tell that it's 144 hertz, because the monitor that I had before was only 60 hertz. So this will be interesting to see. Actually, I think it's set to 60 hertz. Doesn't say. I'll have to look at that later. What else we got here? Ultimate Battle Station, yada yada yada. Honestly, oh, I got like the nicest one. I think maybe not. I don't know. Honestly, I love this. What's it rated? I'm just curious. 4.5 stars. I would give it 5. 10 out of 10. I love it. It's a little pricier, but honestly, it's 100% worth it. I'm sitting here. I'm just like in love with this thing. It doesn't even take up that much space like on the desk. I have plenty of space to put all my crap. So in the end, 10 out of 10, 100%. I definitely recommend buying. I'm so happy, especially because the last item or last 2 things we've unboxed have been flops. So this is great. Yeah. Anyway. Thank you all so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what else you want to see on my channel. And until next time.